Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in Shelly Cashman Excel 2016 Module 1 SAM Project 1A. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Here's a summarized solution process for each problem. Step 1. File Setup. Open, save with a new name, and confirm your name in cell B6 on the documentation sheet. Step 2. Worksheet Formatting. Auto-fit column A, add Blooming Everywhere Delivery, in A1, centered across A1, with heading 1 style. Enter, Revenue, in A2, merge and center A2, and clear cell E3. Step 3. Data Entry and Formatting. Enter values 1800, 1950, and 2020 in cells B7, and fill formulas in B8 through D8. Merge A10, then format B12 with accounting style, $2 decimals. Step 4. Calculations and Styling. In E16, use sum for total expenses. Format A18 with bold, calibri, size 13, and green. Calculate profit in B20 and fill across C20. Step 5. Charts. Change tab color to orange. Update the clustered column chart style, move it to a new sheet called 2018 to 2020 Revenue. Create a 3D pie chart for expenses, title it Expenses in 2020, apply style 3, and move to a 2020 Expenses sheet. Step 6. Final steps. Save, close, and submit. If you need our help, we provide 2 types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 730 965 5268 or log into our website xlsx.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.